Hello everyone, welcome to B10X Learning. Today we are going to see a wonderful topic, creating macros in Excel. We need not to worry about the coding part because ChatGPT will take care all the things. Okay, let's enter into the coding. Before that, join our workshop at the minimal price from the link given in the below description. Let's enter into the coding part. Okay, so guys, I have Excel sheet. Okay, so now we are going to create a macro. Macro means what? We are doing some automation work. Okay, let's start from the basics. Okay, instead of going for a big chunk of code or big chunk of work, let's start with the basics. Then you will come to know what are the beauty, what are the advantages of it, and what are the merits and how it can easily do for us. Because ChatGPT is with us, nothing to worry. Okay, guys. So now what we can do means, okay, I am making a small data. Okay, I'm keeping here name. Okay, and the next portion is gender. You will come to know why I'm doing, and I will make this as like a score. Okay, and what name I can make? I can make Jack. He is male and he has passed. Okay, the score. And next I will make some name like what I can keep some name like Mark. Okay, male, he has failed. Okay, and the name drive some name how to say like uh, Shanti. Okay, female, and this also fail. Okay, so this is the work guy. Okay, what you are seeing me that I am doing the work manually, right? So keep on, I need to keep entering the data. Okay, now it is fine. Imagine if there are 10,000 records or 10,000 rows. I need to scroll down, okay, and I need to exactly map where I need to fill all these works I need to do manually, right? So what is macro? That will do in easy way. I mean to say it will automate it. Okay, so what I'm going to do means I'm going to make this like a office assistant or a data entry operator. Okay, we are the data entry operator is going to make this work easy. She is going to make the entry uh, easy with the help of macro and with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so I am making here like here I'm keeping name. Okay, this is just for a sample. Okay, an example I'm giving. Okay, gender, and here the score. So the requirement is the need for macro is when I enter name over here, gender over here, that means name over the cell is F2. Okay, and if I enter gender on F3, okay, and the score on F4, what it should do means automatically when I automate it or when I press the macro button, these three values should be correctly mapped over here. And if I enter the next value, it should map over here. Okay, that is the automation. You can think this is simple, right? Instead of means typing over here, you can type over here, right? What is the rocket science involved? What is the advantage or what is the macro automation involved in? This is a sample, as I said. Imagine I have 1 lakh record. Okay, I need to scroll down. Where is the 1 lakh? And then I need to do. Okay, instead of I have everything is available. Okay, it's a matter of time. Everything we need to minimize our work, right? So instead of I'm keeping here, there will be some I can keep it over here. So whenever the datas are there, imagine because if you're working in college or in admission process, the you will be piled up with a lot of documents and you'll be means people will be in queue to give their information. So you cannot keep scrolling down here and there, right? You may work on shift. For example, you may be your timing may be like 9 to 12, and afternoon another person may come. Okay, so she cannot think where the person has filled the last record, and he or she should not keep scrolling here and there. Okay, so for that purpose we are going to automate it. Okay, guys, so now what I'm going now, our companion, true companion ChatGPT enters into the picture. Okay, welcome to ChatGPT. Okay, I am taking this ChatGPT part. Okay, so I hope all can see it. Okay, Now I'm going to give the command. Okay, so I will be telling the ChatGPT create a macro, Excel macro, right? Because that takes values from cell. Which cell we need? We need the cell from F1, F2, sorry, F2, F3, and F4, right? That's what I'm making. Okay, cell from cell F2, F3, F4. Okay, and add it to the end of the columns. What are the columns we have? Name, gender, and score, right? Columns. Name, comma, gender, comma, and what is the last value, guys? We kept score, right? Okay, so we made it. Okay, and we are telling them this A cell represents the name. Okay, this A cell represents the name. Okay, and B represents the gender, and C represents the score. Okay, that also will tell it. Like A cell refers to name, and B cell refers to gender. Now, guys, I think, yeah, gender, and C cell refers to score. Okay, so I am executing it. Okay, sure, here is a VBA macro that accomplishes. Okay, so you need not to worry about any coding part. Okay, because even I don't know what is VBA. I know VBA, but I am not that good at VBA programming. Okay, so don't get worried that I am not that good at programming. You should know programming basics, right? If you are entering into any of the programming language like Python, Java, start learning and start progressing it, because you need to be pro. Okay, but don't think that I cannot do, because ChatGPT has come. Whatever you need to do, ChatGPT will do, but you must know the basics. Okay, without basics it will be difficult. If I give to this code to a person who not aware of VB, he will get stumbled. Okay, but every programmer or coder or the person who is using the PC in their day-to-day life, they will know what is this. Okay, so I am just taking this code. Okay, and it is giving the instruction. See, here are the macros. It determines the last filled row for each column's name, gender, score. It then copies the value from cell. And okay, to implement the macro, press Alt F11 to the visual basic application. Okay, these two parts, it is explaining what it is doing. Okay, if you have time, you can read it. But this is the part which we should know. Okay, because if you want to open a macro visual basic VBA in Excel, it should we press Alt plus F11. Then there will we need to press the new module by right clicking on any existing module and pressing we will see this step by step. Okay, select insert and then module, then paste the code in the above module, close the VBA editor. All these instructions they are giving. Okay, let's go with this one by one. Okay, now I'm going here. Okay, as it said, what is telling? Alt plus F11. Okay, so I'm pressing Alt plus F11. Okay, so and what it is telling? Go to the insert, right clicking existing VBA, insert and module. Okay, I'm going here, insert, I'm pressing this module. Okay, and since I already copied this code, copied, okay, I am pasting here. Nothing. Okay, guys, I'm just pasting the code. Cut, copy, paste. Okay, same principle applies here. That much way the ChatGPT has made our lives easy. Okay, so then what is telling? Paste the code provided in the module. Close the VBA editor. Now I am closing the VBA editor. Okay. So next what is telling? Now you need to run the macro. Okay, that means the code is ready, right? Now we need to automate it. Okay, so for that what they're telling, press Alt plus F8 key. Okay, to at selecting add columns and then click run. Okay, so I'll be pressing Alt plus F8. Okay, before that I will add some name. Okay, what name I can add? Something like Ravi mail score, yes, pass. Okay, now Alt plus F8. Now I'm pressing enter. See the beauty, guys. Ravi mail pass, it has been added here. This is the automation. Okay, this is the macro enablement. Now I'm adding some other name. Okay, what I can make some other like Shailu. Okay, female, and she too. Okay, what I should do? Alt F8 run, because this is ready. Okay, if you look into this part, that's what it's telling me. See, add two columns. So after selecting the add two columns and click run, every time you run it, it will take the values from F2, F3, F4 and add them to the end of the name, gender and score columns respectively. Now I am adding. So Shailu female, she failed, it has been added. So this is the beauty of the automation, guys. Okay, with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, automation can be done by taking n number of days. Okay, because automation steps are tedious, right? Many people are taking more time to make the automation work efficient, but with the help of ChatGPT we can do in a quick second. Imagine, guys, if you want to do write this code, it would have took more time, because you need to think what is how to write the code, what are the things available, what are the names to be added. But anyone now, they can use it. And one more challenge what I can give you means, like, so now I have done with just by entering the values, it is getting stored at the end of the column, right? Now you can make such that, see, after entering you can make your macro by, after entering these three things should be erased. That means it should be null, so that it should make my life easy, so that when I'm entering in the next time it should be with blank. Okay, because now though Shailu female fail has been filled, here also the value is there. You can make macro in such a way that after added these three values, what F2, F3, F4, should be the cell should be empty. That you can make. Okay, so try it. I'm giving you a challenge. It will make your life easy, and definitely it will help you in the long run. Okay, and also not only that, if you are interested much more with this macro, you can make such that after entering all the, after you press that run button, right, the name should be arranged in a ascending order or in a descending order, like that you can make, so that the person who is seeing or viewing this document, his life will be easy for tracking. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. Okay, really it should be a useful session, because it will make your life easy. It made your life easy. So if you find this tutorial helpful, join our workshop at a minimal price from the link given in the below description. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care, guys.